Most travel bags are just fine, offering little to no organization or subpart components that will eventually break down. But at Nomatic, we don't do fine. We create exceptional gear for pros who know. And when it comes to travel, we've been creating travel bags for over a decade. And our latest creation is our best bag yet. But we don't actually call it a bag. We call it the system. Introducing the Nomatic System Series, a one-bag travel system where every piece is designed to work together to remove friction and amplify your momentum. The system is made up of the travel backpack, available in 2 sizes, the Hybrid Sling, the laptop sleeve, and the packing cube set. And while each of these items are packed with noteworthy features, it's more about how they work together that really makes this the ultimate one-bag travel system. The backpack is at the core of the system, and all the pieces attach, adapt to, or store inside of the backpack to meet the needs of your trip. Let me show you how it all works. The Hybrid Sling is the hub for all your essentials. Attached on the front for quick access, the back for added capacity, inside the accessories pocket for added security, or removed from the bag altogether as a standalone tech organizer. And when you arrive at your destination, remove the quick adapt strap from the backpack and convert it into a smaller sling or shoulder bag. The perfect companion for every part of your trip. The laptop sleeve fits inside the backpack while you travel, allowing you to enjoy one-bag travel while still providing a laptop bag at your destination. Slim and minimal, so you barely notice it's there, but giving you a convenient way to manage meetings, conferences, or a quick work session at the coffee shop. And when you need to bring your cords, headphones, and chargers with you, the Hybrid Sling attaches to the front, putting everything right where you need it. And finally, the last part of the system, the lightweight packing cubes. Minimalist cubes that don't add or take up space. The set comes with 1 large, 2 medium, and 1 extra small packing cube. The perfect kit for both sizes of the backpack. Simply organize, pack, and compress. Everything working together. That's the system. Now let's talk about how each of these products individually are going to change the way you travel. First, the backpack. Let's start with adaptability. Every trip has different demands. Your system should meet all of them. Both backpacks offer wide-open clamshell access with mesh panels to keep everything 100% contained. 2 flex volume compartments adapt to what you're carrying. Expand the top pocket to prioritize your accessories. Expand the shoe pocket for larger things like a jacket or shoes, or use this compartment to keep your dirty clothes separate as the trip progresses. Or fold them both away and pack everything into the main volume of the bag. Whatever the trip requires, pack it your way. Need more room? Nearly 10 liters of expansion when you need to fit just a bit more. Packing light? Compress it down to keep it tight, all expanding, compressing, and prioritizing to streamline your travels. When it comes to organization and access, this is where the bag really shines. Quick access storage for what you reach for constantly. A smaller pocket for all the accessories, a larger pocket when you need access to bigger things, a hidden security pocket for the valuable things, 2 big bottle pockets to keep you hydrated, and finally, an external dedicated laptop and tablet pocket with coated zippers to keep your gear protected. And the cherry on top? We've added theft deterrent zippers all over so your stuff stays safe. No digging, no second guessing, just frictionless movement. Now, with 3 to 7 days worth of clothes, this bag can get heavy, so we've invested in comfort where it counts. Thick shoulder straps and a breathable padded back panel to keep you comfortable, and a built-in airflow channel to keep your back cool. Stowable waist straps when you need to distribute the load, and when you need a real break, the luggage pass-through lets you remove the load completely. Comfort that allows you to keep moving forward without hesitation. All those features available in 2 sizes, so all you have to do is pick the size that's right for you. Now let's talk about the Hybrid Sling. Designed with a wide opening for easy access to all your daily and travel essentials. Inside, the X-Stack organizer keeps things accessible and secure, with a pen holder and mesh and zipper pockets to keep everything in its place. And on the outside, a quick access zipper pocket for your phone or passport kept secure against your body. And finally, utilizing the quick adapt straps, you can carry the sling on the bag, on your body, or remove the strap altogether and use it as a tech organizer, whatever the trip demands. And last but not least, the laptop sleeve, designed for the traveler who is always building and always creating. When you need your laptop at your destination, this minimalist sleeve seamlessly slides into the laptop compartment and is designed to open vertically so you can easily access the laptop without removing the bag. At your destination, remove the sleeve and either pack light with your laptop and a couple small items, or attach the Hybrid Sling using the quick adapt toggle and carry exactly what you need. Everything working together to keep you moving forward. We've shipped bags to hundreds of thousands of happy customers, and we know a thing or two about making gear that lasts. Best-in-class YKK zippers, reinforced seams throughout, and materials built to handle whatever you put them through. Like everything else we make, the System Series is backed by our life well-lived warranty. We don't just create great gear, we create gear that works great for years. At Nomatic, we've been designing exceptional gear for movers and makers for over a decade. The System Series is no exception. One bag, one system, no compromises. Back it today and receive exclusive bundle pricing, and receive it before anyone else. You can create your own bundle or select one of our pre-made bundles. Either way, select the system that works for you. The Nomatic System Series. Less friction, more momentum.